Hi, work from home family. Sorry, I've not uploaded for a while now. It's been busy here. We have two cold calling remote positions today. I don't know if you've heard about cold calling. Many people are going into cold calling remote jobs, and I'll talk about it more on my other channel, Learn with Dee. I'll make a detailed video about it and how to get started. Two to look at today. This one is appointment setter. It's a freelance remote position. You're working as a freelancer. It's a US based company as well. They pay in USD. Please like, comment, and share and subscribe to the channel. They help attorneys become the obvious experts in their market by giving them their own professional podcast. They talk, they handle everything else. They also have one rule that matters, one per practice area per market, no clones. They are growing quickly and looking for an appointment setter who knows how to start conversations, follow up consistently, and book calls. That's what you're going to do as a cold caller. As for what you'll be doing here, this is a 4 hour a week position, no part time, reaching out to attorneys inbound and outbound, starting conversations and qualifying interest, asking smart questions and handling objections, following up until there is a clear yes or no, booking calls for their team, keeping leads generally organized in their CRM scheduling tools. This role is a good fit if you have experience setting appointments or booking sales calls. You're comfortable with outreach and follow-up. You can work independently without needing continual supervision. You can communicate clearly and confidently. You are organized and consistent. Bonus point if you've worked with lawyers or marketing agencies. And why this role works, it is fully remote, 1,099 contract position, flexible schedule, clear offer and niche audience, real responsibility and trust, no corporate fluff or busy work. Results matter more than anything else. Absolutely no job stacking. What you do on the evenings and weekends are your business. Bottom line, if you like outreach, enjoy booking calls, and want a flexible remote role with a smart growing company, this is worth a look. Apply if you're confident, reliable, and ready to work. This one has no application button. Okay. This job is in sales and marketing category, and the skills you need is cold calling and lead generation. You can work from any region, you see, anywhere in the world. So there's no application button for this, but there's an email. Okay, because I'm subscribed here, I'm paying a monthly subscription for you guys. I can also apply with AI, which is not even advisable. But yeah, you have to send an email to the email address here, which you will not see, but I'll link it in the description for you. Just send your CV to that email before the 10th of July. And the second one we have is this remote sales representative. Welcome to Credit Joy, a leading credit restoration company devoted to helping individuals nationwide achieve financial independence. At Credit Joy, they focus on eliminating inaccurate details from their clients' credit reports, empowering them to regain control over their financial well-being. Their committed team works diligently to challenge discrepancies, ensuring their clients' credit histories accurately represent their financial track record. So, this is a remote sales representative position, US market. Location is remote worldwide, full-time. Compensation is based plus uncapped commission, USD pay. About Credit Joy. Credit Joy helps people overcome credit challenges and take control of their financial future. They're a remote first company serving clients across the United States and are growing their inbound sales team. They're looking for experienced English fluent remote sales professionals who are confident on the phone, disciplined with follow-ups, and motivated by performance-based earnings. What you will do is to handle 20 to 30 inbound calls per day with qualified leads. You run structured sales conversations and close consistently. Average 3+ sales per day. Follow proven scripts, processes, and CRM workflows. You work closely with your sales coach to hit weekly, monthly goals. What they're looking for is a sales, call center, or commission-based experience, excellent spoken English, clear professional confidence, strong closing ability and comfort with phone-based sales, reliable high-speed internet, cabled and quiet workplace, laptop or desktop computer, 8 gig RAM minimum and headset with mic, self-motivated, coachable and consistent. Remote sales experience is a plus but not required. Compensation and growth, base pay plus uncapped commission is USD. Top performers earn around 3 to 5,000 USD per month. 100% remote, work from anywhere. Ongoing sales training and one-on-one coaching. Clear path to advancement. They promote from within. The skills you need is sales and just English. Category is sales and marketing as well. I've seen people work in this cold calling job. Like, it's so amazing that I'm not cut out for remote jobs like that. I rather do AI training roles. But yeah, if you can, please go for it, okay? And the pay is really good. So this one as well, I don't think this one has. Okay, this one do have an application form. You click that, it brings you here. This is the company's page, creditjoy.com. Then you click on apply now. You see this button here. This is the application form. It's a doc, Google Doc. Sales representative application. It will take you around 10 minutes to complete. And I advise that you do not use ChatGPT or other software to answer, because this will disqualify your application. Answer all questions in English and use your remote work device to complete this form. Questions or concerns about a submission or data privacy, you can contact them here. So make sure to fill this information. If your country is not listed, click on other. If your country is not here, where you reside is not here, click on other and put it there. For US residency only, have you ever lived in the US? If so, for how long? You put, do you speak Spanish? How did you hear about them? And all of that. Who referred you? And you fill in this application. And then again, I see your questions about if you can apply for a remote job without a CV. Please stop asking me such questions, because how can you go to your farm without a cutlass? You're going to your farm, you had the intention of weeding your farm, and then you're going without a hoe or a cutlass. I don't know how you intend to achieve it. So please get yourself a CV. If you need a template, let me know in the comments. I'll link it so you can buy it, because these things can be gotten for free online. But if you're too lazy to do it, I'll link it up, you buy it and use it. So I thought to share this one. A lot of people are working as cold callers right now. I've seen them, and even though the job might not be easy, but it is completely scripted. You read the script to the customer or the client that you're talking to on the phone. Just polish your English a bit. English is not your first language. Polish yourself and go out there and make yourself proud. Okay, so I thought to share this one with you. Let me know what you think about cold calling job. Have you done a cold calling remote job before? Let us know your experience in the comments, as this helps the community grow. Thank you everybody for watching. Please do like, comment and share. Subscribe for more videos like this. Check the links for these jobs in the description. The email for the first job is in the description as well, so that you can apply today. Thanks so much everybody. I'll see you in the next one.